Hello, good morning, students. I think that acids one topic I have given you, you have written in your copies. Now today I will start the bases. Okay, full information about the bases. Okay, means acids in a sour taste, it turns red blue litmus to red, bases turns red litmus to blue. Let's see now. These from the book I am giving a lecture. Why I am giving it so? Because from this pages, what the things you want to write in your copy by making your notes, you can make your notes. So now bases are those chemical substances which have bitter taste. Bitter taste, which is bitter means not a good taste. And its litmus changed, red litmus is changed into the blue litmus. Okay, this is the base. Okay. Now next is bases are the chemical opposite of acids. This you know very well, it is the opposite of acids. Now next is all the metal oxides and metal hydroxides are bases. These are the examples of it. Now bases is also called as alkalis. Okay, so how we can say a base which is soluble in water. Those bases which are soluble in water means which is mixed in water, that is known as alkalis. These are some examples: sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Hydroxide is coming here, means water soluble is present, that's why hydroxide is coming here. Okay, so these things you can write it in your copy. What the main things are there, that only you can write it. And I am giving this from the book because some students book is not there, that's why you can write it from this here. Now some properties are given. Wow, what do all the bases have in common? What the common in it? So a base is a substance which dissolve in water to produce hydroxide ions. You have seen here hydroxide ions are present. Hydroxide ions means OH ions are present in now first example is we have taken a sodium hydroxide. In the presence of water we are using here Na positive and hydroxide is coming. In all the things you can see hydroxide is present. Next we have taken as potassium hydroxide. In presence of water, potassium formed in hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide, in the presence of water, magnesium and hydroxide in the presence of two atoms. Okay, these are the examples, bases, common examples these are. Okay, now next what is the strong bases and what is the weak bases? So strong bases are bases which completely ionize in water and thus produce a large amount of hydroxide ions. Means in this one strong one, large amount of hydroxide ions are present. In this one a small amount of hydroxide are present. Hydroxide ions you understood na, OH. So these are the examples, you can see the examples. Now the properties. Bases have bitter taste. In acids which type of taste is what? It was a sour taste. It feels soapy to touch. Feel means soapy to touch. It's mean as we are touching the soap na, we are feeling some leathery substance, foam substance, that is a soapy to touch. The meaning of this is this one. It turns red litmus to blue. It conducts electricity in the presence of electrolytes. Bases react with some metal to form hydrogen gas. This we have studied before also. Now in this one also it form a hydrogen gas. As we have taken sodium hydroxide, this is the base, in presence of zinc and giving a heating process. Now what the thing is formed? It forms as salt and hydrogen. Sodium zincate and hydrogen is present. Okay, all the metals do not react with base to form salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, I am telling some metals are present, but if we will say that all atoms will not present. Okay, in bases all metals will not present, some metals may present. This is the main properties. You can see it very nicely, and with the help of these pages you can write down in your copy. After this, next property, bases react with acid to form salt and water. Now we have taken base and we have taken one acid. Base we have taken as sodium hydroxide, sulfuric acid H2SO4 we have taken and form a salt, that is sodium sulfate and the water. Second one we are using, if we want to neutralize the reaction. In a neutralize the reaction we have taken the water molecules like hydrogen and hydroxide we have taken. Two things we have taken. Hydrogen we have taken as a acid and hydroxide is taken as a base. Neutralization reaction takes place and form of water. Seventh property is bases react with non-metal. In backside, bases react with metal. Here, bases react with non-metal to form salt and water. Now, non-metal, base, salt and water. Example, calcium hydroxide. In the presence of carbon dioxide, it forms calcium carbonate, that is a salt, and the water. Okay, these are the properties, and these properties are very important. Fine. Now, what are the uses of it? You can see here some uses of bases. First is sodium hydroxide is used in the manufacturing of soap, paper and synthetic fiber. Understood? Means it is used to make soap, paper, and it also used as rayon. Calcium hydroxide is also called as slaked lime. It is used for the manufacturing of the bleaching powder. Next is magnesium hydroxide is used as an antacid. Okay, it is used as an antacid for indigestion. Next point, sodium carbonate is used in washing soda and softening hard water. Using in washing soda when we are washing the clothes. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is used in baking soda in cooking food. Like we are making this chana and other things, we are putting a baking soda na, so that thing is also found from here only. These are the questions. If you have to find out from these pages, that also you can write down. Fine students. In a next lecture, we will use the strength of acids and base solution. Okay. So again I am showing to you the bases. Okay. These things you have to write down by your own. You can make a notes. That's why I am giving a lecture from the book. Okay. And if there is any question, any query, any problem, then you can ask me. Okay, these are the questions. The strength pH scale we will do afterwards. But little preview I am giving to you about the pH scale. It is from 1 to 14. Okay, 7 is the neutral, and from 1 to 6 it is acidic, and from after 7 to 14 it is a basic. This is the normal intro of pH scale. Okay, thank you students and have a nice day. Please write these things in your copy. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.